I'm Dr. Sridhar Kalyansundaram. During the current pandemic, there have been lots of changes in our life pattern. One of the main changes is regarding online education and the screen time that the kids are having for school purposes. So it's very important that we support it in a suitable way. The main things to watch for are eye strain. So the tips to reduce eye strain. So it's a 20-20-20 rule which experts have suggested. So every 20 minutes ask the child to look at a 20 feet distance at least and for 20 seconds at least. So the teachers can also incorporate it into their routine. It's also important not to keep the room too cold because air conditioning reduces the humidity in the surroundings and your eyes may become more dry. You also have to blink frequently or encourage the child to blink regularly because you may be staring at the screen, and blinking is a way that tears spread over the eyes and so the eye may be dry. So dry eye is a problem, and strain due to close watching the screen. That's accommodation is always active and it leads to muscle strain and headache and even neck posture related strain. So that's why the looking away every 20 minutes for 20 seconds or so, that rule will help us. The second point to consider is the back position, and many musculoskeletal problems are being reported in the pediatric clinics due to the bad posture that the children adopt. Encourage them to stand up between the classes, to bend down, move their neck regularly, stretch their arms, and also to keep changing the posture. If they're crouching in front or lying on a bed and watching the class, it's not a good posture at all. Erect posture with the lower back support is very important. The third and final part that I will discuss now is about the use of headphones. The volume on the headphone should not be too high and it should be adjusted. The parent should check what the child is keeping the setting. It's always not feasible to keep the volume on the computer, and sometimes the clarity is less when you have the computer speaker. So headphones do become necessary, but at the same time we should check the volume and make sure the child is aware of the risk to the hearing. There are instances when the hearing is affected and permanent deafness may happen due to very high volumes. It also is a source of stress. When you hear loud noises, your stress levels go up and the child may not be able to sleep well or relax. So these are very important points that we should stress on and do monitor. And when it comes to older children, internet safety is a very important point as well. So be aware of what your child is looking at. Don't accept requests from strangers, and have some form of parental control and supervision. I hope this helps. Please do share. Thank you.